Okay, guys, week 2 of our distance learning. We are going to start our project that we would be starting if we were in class, okay? So while we're doing our distance learning, you need to make sure that you're doing these parts as we go so that when we get back to class, you are ready to finish the project. Okay, so overview is that you'll be selecting a topic. Step 2 is creating questions related to your topic. Step 3 is research information to answer questions. And step 4 is choose a project from the choice board to show what you have learned. Okay, so we're going to do steps 1 and 2 this week. Okay, so step 1 is your topic selection. You'll complete step 1, finding my inspiration, to help you select a topic. Once you make your choice, make sure that your research topic is school appropriate. If you're not sure, email me. And then your topic must be different from your argument essay. Your essay you did some research on, I want to make sure that you guys do something different, a different topic than your essay, okay? So the finding my inspiration, I will show you the worksheet in just a minute, but you'll get a copy of it so that you can type on it and you'll be able to complete it, okay? Our next slide, step 2, finding out. Using step 2 finding out sheet, which is the other one that's on the assignment, create at least 6 questions about your topic. These should be questions that you want to learn more about, okay? If you're struggling to come up with 6 questions, at first it's okay, create the 4, and then in the end, make sure you have 6, okay? What we will do next week, but that I put on here in case you wanted to get started with it, is step 3, is researching information for your answers. Now that you've created your questions, it's time to research information to find your answers. Do not copy and paste. Use your summarizing and paraphrasing skills to read and use information to record your answers in your own words. Make sure to keep track of the websites you use to find your research. You will need to give credit to the website you use later in the project, okay? Because remember, if it's not our words, we can't take claim to it, but this is research, so you got your information from somewhere, okay? So that is the end of the slides that I gave you for this week. I only gave you the step 3 in case you wanted to start your questions. Finding your answers. However, you do not need to do that today, this week. You're only responsible for step 1 and step 2, okay? So when you go into Google Classroom, you'll see, you'll get this worksheet, okay? This is step 1. You're going to type your answers in red or blue. You need to tell me 5 things you love, 5 things that break your heart, what makes you sad, 5 things that you're good at, and 5 things that you wonder about, okay? So you'll type in here, and of course, just like I've done on other assignments the last couple weeks, type your answers in red or blue, okay? It kind of keeps it simple. When you are done with that, then your step 2, here's your step 2, okay? So here's your question. All right, what is your topic? Put that up here. And then what is your question? All right, that is all you are required to do this week, is just get your question there, okay? Now, up here where there's a line, please delete the line and type what you're doing. Don't like stick it here in the middle and then it's all over the place, okay? This is, I do look at it. It is formatting. You guys are getting ready to go to high school. Please take pride in your work, okay? So anyway, so this week you only have to come up with your topic and your questions, okay? If you want to start your answers, that's fine. Make sure that you write or copy and paste your source right here so that you know where you got that information, okay? So in Google Classroom, inquiry-based project steps 1 and 2, and then I just went over, you're going to complete step 1, finding my inspiration, and then step 2, finding out organizers for your inquiry-based project. Okay, if you have time, you can start answering your questions, no more than 2 or 3, but we'll be doing this next week. Okay, so if you don't get to this part or you don't feel like doing this part, that's fine. You'll be doing it next week. Okay, again, This video and these two documents and the PowerPoint are all going to be here. All right, you won't have to go searching for anything. It's all right here. You'll have a copy of your step 1 and step 2, so you can type right on it in blue or red. As last week, if you have any questions, please message me and I will answer you as soon as you hit send, because I'm watch my phone and my computer and everything all day long. So I respond pretty quickly. On Wednesday at 1 o'clock, we will have our meeting again, our little class chat. Members last week said that they would like to try a Zoom meeting. And so I will be posting that information before the meeting, just like I did last time. You can access it on your computer, and you can access it through an app on your phone or your, if you have an iPad or tablet or something. You'll want to have that all set up and ready to go before you go to join the meeting though. If you have any questions, reach out to me and I can help you do that, okay? And I'll put that information in here too, all right? So let me know if you need any help, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.